Hey Prestaholic gang, welcome back. Today I got a Amazon package from Gootrades without the D. And these are the 3XL square nails. They're full cover, 360 pieces in 12 styles, and I have been seeing these in a few Instagram pages, and I saw one or two videos on YouTube, but they didn't explain how the sizing was when it came to press-on nails. So that's what we're going to do today. I did see some bad reviews when it came to packaging, so we're going to see that for ourselves. And as always, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, and yeah, let's just get into it. So this is the packaging straight out of the Amazon packaging, and you can see that it comes with like just a cover, and then this side is open. So I'm going to take it out, and as you can see, there's nails that have come out, and the packaging is actually opened. So we are not off to a good start, guys. These are size 5s, and these are a 10 and an 11. So let's open it up. As you can see, the nails have kind of gone everywhere. So I'm going to figure out where all these nails go, and then I'm going to come back. Okay guys, so I put most of them back, but now I'm noticing that I have 2 nails in size 11, and I don't have 11s. So I only got 2 11s, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4s, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So I have no size 11s. So hopefully we don't need it, and let's see how the sizing is. Also, before I start, just know that I actually bought these. This is not like sponsored or anything. These nails were on sale for only $18.99. I saw that they had some pretty decent reviews, and as I said, I saw them on some other people's pages, and I wanted to try them out because we love a good deal and some extra long nails. So I'm going to start with my own size. So I'm usually a size medium. Please don't judge my nails at the moment. I have been working. So we are going to start with, this is number 2. So let's go with a 1 for a size medium, if I can get them out. So here it is. I will say that I have like very square nails, so this kind of doesn't surprise me that this one won't fit, but as you can see, if you have like regular nail beds, this would probably fit. So yeah, this would fit. I just have to cut this side off. We are going to skip the 1 just because I have like very square cuticles on my thumbs. And yeah, so we're going to go into 1, 5. Here's the 5. And you can see that it fits. So sidewall to sidewall, that fits. This is a 4. I will say that I like that it came with a case. I feel like we don't really see that too often, especially not for the $18.99 that I paid for it. So now here's a 4, and you can see here's the sidewall. Oh, sorry, completely out of focus. Sidewall to sidewall, that fits. 4, and then here's 6, that fits. And here's where I'm a little concerned, right? So usually I'm a size 8. Let's see how these 8s fit. Oh, it actually fits. Regular sizing. So I would say I probably won't even need the 11s that I was missing. These are size 10. Oh wait, The 8s and the 9s are mixed. So here's a size 10. That's pretty small, but it actually fits, which is so weird. So there's a 10, and then let's go to a size 9. And the 9 actually fits too. So I don't know if I just have abnormally small pinkies. So let me compare the pinky nails to a different brand and see how that works. All right guys, so I got a size 9 nail by A-Press, and we are going to compare it to the size 9 from this brand. So this nail is actually a little bit bigger than the A-Press brand, so let's do a 10. And yeah, that's actually perfect. So if I was to sell these, I would replace a size 9 pinky for a size 10. The 11s, they look super small, so I don't really see any use of them, even though it would have been nice to get them since they were advertised, right? But it's all good. I'm going to put the nails on a demo hand, that way you guys can just see the length and things like that. Oh my god guys, I was about to end the video and look at what I found. All the nails were in the bottom of the bag. So I now take back what I said about the size 11s. They are all here, but they were all in the packaging. So yeah, let's just get back into the video. All right, babe. So here is the nails on the demo hand. It has a nice apex. You can see that I barely put it into the nail. So this is the full length. And guys, these things are long. I love them. I love the length. We already talked about the pinky sizes. And I also want to say that the way that I kind of compared the nails to A-Press with the sizing and things, that is a #1 tip for when you are buying nails and you're not sure about the sizing. Just compare them to a different brand. If they're not matching, then see what size is matching, and maybe you can make a note of that. And if not, if the sizings are just way too off, then just don't use the nails, only use them on yourself or return them. That is a lot of people ask me that question, and that is the answer. So I will be leaving the link to these down below. As I said, I have been seeing them on Instagram, and I also saw a few YouTube videos. So if you want to get them for the $18.99, I highly suggest that you guys go grab them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and leave me this emoji if you made it this far. Also, let me know if you enjoyed this type of like quick review type of thing. I really tried not to like drag it out and do like a whole deep dive review. This year I'm really trying to keep the videos kind of simple, minimalist, not dragging like I'm doing right now with talking so much. But let me know what you guys think. I am here for you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and remember, all the links are in the description. Bye.